Ohayo gozaimasu! Hey everyone! I miss you all so much. Disregard the hair. So it's been like 4 weeks or more, or it's been like a month since my last video. I don't know what's happening, but I've been having stomach ache a lot. Yeah, I don't know if it's about what I ate on that day, but every day. Oh my gosh, this hair is just so short and annoying. Yeah, so that is what's happening. I feel so weak and I just cannot concentrate on what I do because I feel so weak. My stomach hurts and I always, this is a little TMI, I always go to the toilet. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's because for the longest time that I haven't tried foods from the street foods. I tried myself to refrain from eating those, but sometimes I forgot and I cannot contain or restrict myself from eating it. And I think I ate tempura or something on the streets, and after I have that, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the TV just started. I think we have lights already. We had brownout or blackout like for about 5 minutes ago. Yeah, everything. I cannot do any internet stuff because our Wi-Fi, our router is not working because it needs electricity, to run. So yeah, that's what happened. That is what's happening to me. Oh my gosh. And right now my stomach is a little better. Yeah, I see to it that I don't eat a lot of street foods and foods that I'm not so sure. Yeah, every time we come home here in the Philippines from Japan, this is what's really been happening all the time. We always, if I drink something or eat something, I always have stomach ache and I always have LBM. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And right now it's getting better. Yeah, but I'm getting a little fatter. Oh my gosh, my arms are getting bigger now. Could you see that? But I still have that muscle. Yeah, and this is my hairdo for this day. No, just joking. This is how I set my bangs because I am so lazy, guys. I tell you, I am so lazy and blow dry my hair and ironing my hair because it's just so humid and it just ruins my hairstyle. If you've watched my video, I really love styling my hair. I do all crazy stuff like curling, ironing, and something like that. But for the past months or 2 months, I just let my hair dry, air dry like this, and I will sometimes put it in a bun, or because it's so hot, I always tie my hair up because it's so freaking hot and humid. And this is how I set my bangs. Yeah, so that it will sit beautifully later on. I am having my side swept bangs here, facing here on my right side. So in order for it to sit beautifully on the right side, I need to pin it on the left side. So weird, right? Why on the left side? But yeah, that's how it works, guys. Yeah. So I'm watching the Rio, what's the Olympics? Yeah. So girl, I'm just chilling here. I will be out and about when my mother and father will be back here. Yeah, it's what time is it? It's already 9:30 in the morning. But every day I always wake up like 5 a.m. in the morning to get the kids ready for school. So yeah, my day always starts very early and sleeps like around 9 or 10 p.m. every night. Yeah, I think it's getting late. So I'll see you later. Yeah, I think I'll see you later. I miss you all, guys. Oh my gosh, I miss you all so much. And I am so happy that I have the energy now to film, not exactly film, but do a little vlogging, because I love vlogging. I love talking. Yeah, so I'll see you later, guys. Bye. So we are out now. We're out now. I don't know what to say. So this is my hair now. So this is what I've been talking about. Oh my gosh, it's so... Whoa. So yeah, I wanted my bangs to go that way on the right, and so that's why I set it on the left side so that it will go on the right side, you know. So if you want your bangs to go on a particular side, just set it on the opposite side. So we are now here. I really love this view from here. And I'm so sorry that my camera is not steady. I know, oh my gosh. But the sea looks so pretty. But the smell is not that pretty. Ooh, kawaii su ne. Ne? Condominium 近いですね。Kawaii su na condominium wa. It looks so pretty here, but it doesn't smell that good. Yeah, that is one thing that it's not so good when living here in those condominiums here near SRP Road. Yeah, but there are a lot of new buildings that's been constructed here. I don't know if you can hear my voice. I know that this is going to be very, the background noise is going to be very loud because, yeah. Yeah. My gosh, my bangs look so stupid. Yeah. I just powdered my face because I know it is going to be very hot, and of course it's going to be expected that if I'm going to wear any foundation, it's probably going to melt like the last time that we're out. It's just so hot. It's not only my face that is melting, also my entire body. It's so hot. Yeah, but it's a beautiful day, but it's just so hot and humid. So I'll see you later, guys. We'll just do some errands and stuff and a lot of monkey business. Yeah, see you later. Oh my gosh, I'm in prison, guys. That's why I haven't been making any videos. Yeah, I am prison. I am in prison inside your heart. Who got? Hi guys, I'm wearing a face mask because it's so dusty. No. I'm kidding. I'm being silly again. So we are here at our mini project. Yeah. So it's not yet totally finished, but we're almost there. So we already cleaned everything. That's why we're wearing face masks. But actually the other day we already cleaned the place. I have a mirror here. Wow, I like mirrors. I love mirrors. So yeah. And after here, we still need to go somewhere else. It's already 11 in the morning. Yeah, it's kind of busy day actually, guys. Very, very busy. Yeah, So hopefully this project of ours will be finished soon, and I will be announcing when. Of course, when will this be finished? So yeah, I'll see you later, alligators. Look how crazy the weather, guys. A while ago, it was so bright and beautiful and very sunny. But now it's raining so hard and it's so damn big, you guys. We're having typhoon right now because the wind also is so strong. But can't see, but it's, oh my gosh, why? Dosyo ka na. I still have a lot of things. I will still be going to Colon, and it's raining. It just all of a sudden it just rained this hard, but I don't know if it will be gone soon because usually it's so bright and then it starts to rain like this very hard, but it's gone like for 5 minutes and it's gone. But I don't know with this rain, I don't know, but it's so cloudy. Yeah, please go away, rain. Rain, go away. We're here now at Super Metro Colon, but not the old Super Metro, the new Super Metro. And it's so rainy outside still. I think we will be going to have lunch first, and then yeah, I think so. So we decided to eat here at Chowking. I haven't eaten in Chowking for the longest time, and it's so loud in here. It was so loud, right? So they have their kitchen upstairs. We decided to sit there upstairs. And that's Chowking, yeah. And yeah, my hair looks so stupid. Ah, the rain already stopped when we came here. So yeah, Chowking, that is their kitchen, guys. That's where our food is. So this is what we're having. Chow fan shumai. Chow fan shumai. And what's sauce? And pineapple, but I'm having milk tea, but it hasn't arrived yet. And of course, halo because you're in Chowking. Itadakimasu. I'm so sorry, guys, but it's so freaking loud in here. But I just need to comment on their milk tea. They have a milk tea here, and it tastes so weird. It tastes like it doesn't taste like oolong tea or green tea. It tastes like senna tea. Senna is for those who don't know, senna tea it is a type of tea that makes you poop. Yeah, it is a laxative tea, and this one really tastes something like that. Yeah, it tastes so weird actually. Yeah, it tastes like senna. We're now back here at our project area, and I have my bangs away from my face because it's just bothering me so much. It is so hot, it's humid, and look at it outside, guys. It's bright and sunny again. Yeah, the first thing in the morning was bright and sunny, and then suddenly it rained during lunchtime, and now it's back. We're back to this mode again, which is so freaking weird. And I already bought a couple of stuff for this project of ours, and I also, yeah. So, do you have any idea what I'm doing, guys? Do you have any idea already? I had this, we bought this, and we also bought this, and we still have a few things that we needed to buy for this project. So it's going to be a very busy day today, but we had a very heavy lunch, so it's fine. How was your lunch? That is your lunch?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, did you like that chow fan with a...
No.
Yeah.
Definitely no.
I feel like I'm going to have a stomach ache after eating that lunch from Chowking. Their siomai looks really weird, guys. It's not that I am being maarte again, guys. Okay, I'm just telling the truth. It's not. It's not uishi. Uishi kunai. It's uishi kunai. And that milk tea also was really. But yeah, nonetheless, it made me full. Oh my god, look. Can you see, guys? Yeah, getting bigger. Arms are getting bigger, and I need to do cardio.
I'm getting thinner.
Usutsuki na omae.
そうだよ。
Usutsuki na okinatayo.
何が大きい？
Putut.
ちっちゃいよ。
Chichakunai. So I'll see you guys. We'll be heading outside again. Bye. So I'm here at 138 Mall and I found something really interesting here. Can you see that? This is a baby G. The same with my baby G. Oh my gosh, and it's only 150 pesos. I'm here at 138 Mall in Colon Street. Oh my gosh, baby G, guys, for only 150 pesos, and they also have that one there. The same, exactly the same as with my G-Shock here. So if you want to wear BBG that is affordable and you're not, you know, worried if they will snatch your watch, they have it here in 138 Mall. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Looks exactly the same, almost the same. Yeah, they have a lot of colors as well. We're heading home now. This is One Luna. What's this? One Luna. This is One Luna Street. People. So traffic, guys. Super nice. That way is going to Carbon Public Market. And I think we're going to pass. Doki, watch out. Doki.
Doki, you die.
Huh? Wow, hidoy dyan.
Doki, you die.
Hidoy na. So this is Santo Niño Church. Oldest church in the Philippines. Yeah, Santo Niño. Hi, Senor Santo Niño. Bagi lang ni. And right ahead is the Plaza Independencia. It's getting dark. It's already 6 in the evening. Yeah. We're home now. We're home now. We're home now. And I'm going to eat this. Piñato. 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 It's piñato is like Minion dialect. Gelato, gelato. Piñato. And I'm gonna eat this too.
Sa pagbisita niya sa kanyang high school, elementary school, at maging police station ng Santa Cruz. Hanggang sa pagbili ng paborito ng banana cube.
So unhealthy. Home and it's 7:30 at night and I think we're going to sleep early tonight. I'm so tired, you guys. This day is a very busy day. I've been up the entire time. I didn't even have the chance to take a nap today. I've been up since 5 a.m. this morning. It's now 7:30 in the evening. Yeah, I'm so tired. It's such a busy day and I'm so tired, and Baba is tired also. She wants to sleep already, but she haven't changed her clothes yet. Yeah, I'm so tired, but still I cannot complain. I'm still thankful and happy that I'm still alive. I still have to wake in the morning. I'm happy about it. Even though it's going to be very busy, but I am still thankful about it because I'm still breathing. I'm still up and alive and breathing. So yeah, I'm so happy. But I need to say goodnight now because I want to take a rest early because tomorrow, again, I need to be up early because of the kids. You know, you need to prepare them for school in, yeah, that's it. So I hope that you had a wonderful day today, guys. Don't forget to say thank you even though you had a bad day or you're so tired and busy and anything. But yeah, we're lucky that we're still alive and we're still breathing. So yeah, hope everyone had a wonderful day, and yeah, that's it, I guess. So I hope to see you in my next video, guys, and I'm so happy to see you again for like almost a month or a month. Yeah. So always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Uyasumi nasai.